Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
If you want to report on this one, you can save. These are all customly created by the user. So Ariba has provided option to include even those values also into your report. So with this we have seen on the reporting side. I want to show you. Let's schedule that report which I have just created. I can schedule from any of the folders. Not necessary that it should be in personal workspace. Even, for example, this report also, I can schedule so running background buyer 1. Since it is buyer 1, maybe I am not able to schedule it. This part. I will select something from buyer 7. I don't have access. So I will go to my personal workspace. Then I will select anyone. Sourcing project report run in background. Run once. Run this. You can schedule or you can change. You can play around. 3 days. I will attach this one. Recipient users. Let's select buyer 7. I'm not giving it a name. Then this will be. It will also give you how many days it is going to run. Next job, when it will run. It will run on 9th of 3rd at 12:30 p.m. because Sunday will be on that day. It will run the report. It will send the content. Click on OK. Then if you want to see this report, Manage Administration Reporting Manager, Scheduled Reports. Here you will be seeing this report. Sourcing Project Report, Buyer 7. When was the last run? When is the next run? All the details are available here. Personal space. You open any of these things. Item level summary. Open. Here you will have the option export. We will also have export data. Configure your export. Which one do you want me to show? Export to Excel. Export, if you are clicking. Automatically whatever you want. Save data that will be exported into Excel. The system will ask you to save the file which is getting exported. I'll click on Save. Now file is downloaded. Once I open that, my data, Excel is imported. Screen. This is the file which got exported. OK. You can configure this export by going to the Ariba screen. So once it is done, only one line, only, it is exported. It will give you the count of number of lines. If you can configure, this is A. This is a detail. Select. You can see this in 2023. How many bits are emitted? What is the contract months? We declined all these details. We want to go by quarter. We'll also have 2023 quarters also. Then you can export, or you can export your data, or your configure export. So if you export data, also same. Now 4 lines will be exported. Actually, it is suggesting that you save the file name of what you are exporting. It's fine. The system will tell you 1 successful. It will tell you 3 rows have been exported. Click on Done. Action: Export data. You will be having option 2. Done. Configure export. Then you can decide here if you want that in a CSV format. Click on Export data. Then this file will be added as a CSV format. OK. Sometimes, when you are running most of the detail, the display will show only some quantities on. In that case, we click on this display option. Edit. Then tell the system that show minimum of 3 rows. So maximum of 100 rows. Then all the rows will be shown. Or you select all the rows. Then all the rows will be displayed in your. For example, there are 2000-3000 line item. The system will throw only the first 100 or something like that. So here you show the maximum of. When you select all will be shown. Also shows the top spend item that composes specific percentage of total spend. So in this case, if you are selecting what level you want to send. So about 80% of the top spend. I want to do that. Then you use this rule. Or if you want to include all, you include all. Minimum subtotal percentage. You can also do this subtotal also. If you want private get, you can click on this one. So totals are various on the private table. I don't want that private table. Remove that one, click on OK. Sorry, edit. So the same way in display options also. The same thing, whatever you are seeing here. Clicking on edit or actions and display options also same. Save changes. Save this report. Since I opened from non-prepackaged report, I was able to save it. If you are working on a prepackaged report, then once you click on save, the system will ask you to put the file name or the report name where you want to save it. Do your practice. There is no harm in reporting. So try to run reports on sourcing. Try to run reports on contract. Try to run reports on purchase requisition. So how do you do that? You go to the edit. In the source data, select different facts.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.